MeghalayaPost.news.
Ki Pulit kanong ba shillong tang hadian bala sapriang kawai ka durki hakirun san social media bala kano bo wayu humka volunteer uladan ketiha ke Dawa Pisa na kibriyo bana asam bat hakajing tokit menta kesngi kila kem no yaw te humka volunteer ban le kat kum ki kendon jong kaan uni humka volunteer latip kerteng kum Reganson Carlor live sans nem karta bat ude ubatre madan ruting traffic branch bat kani kajing jia kelapa pertai kadai tang hadian bala sapriang ka durki hakirun san social media bala kano bo te humka ula pensange ya kawai ke kali harkat kitian si Dawa Pisa run ang kitegi beriyo basyong hakati ke kali marti 800 kabada new number AS01F way sound rew not haba crunch kilat pathai kubor OSP ke iskasil suba vivek sim mulai tu bakani ke jingja kelapa pathai tang hadian bagati ke durki kelas sapriang kirun san social media bakani ke jingja kelajana do ke arpun riu tarik nopra Hajar arpusan ulaya tur udai lembaga jing token lalap ya jing shisha bau tu home card volunteer uladan ketiha ketika kam ban pensange ya ketika kali Dawa Pisa hadu shillong da kabakeno ketika kali kelapan kenya ki kendon nya kali bat ulaya turu dehadin ke jing ekran bat kitiki brio baha kabakadu uladan kuna katsan Hajar da kabakeno bakilapan kenya ki kendon a nya kali ubak vivek sim ulaya turu bahalor kene jing jang kila da ban kam ya tu home card volunteer pala register case hadian persya yau hadian bala ujor da sumoto ulong belada wang kamru yau te home card volunteer bat hadian ke jing tokit ke babnya on setian bisyari u syaka yeng bisyar kat kum ki kendon jong kaan nakaliang ba vivek sim labu ru ke jing kerpat ikiti brio ki balaya kendo ya ketika jing jaban wan cekmat ban keren ya ke jing shisha ban nakaliang ki Pulit kila debru ban pej benyak ling ba ke CCTV ban tip kamha lor kini ke jing ja susu ula ban rap ru wala ki don ki bakum kini ki brio ki ba penjak borom ya ke tenat Pulit ke jela ban nakaliang ki Pulit jong ke East Castle Hills kendang yai beteng ban ai ke jing syakri ke babata mi ki ba daga jing syakri ka bakhut ka basuba baru ka tanat Pulit kandang pet ngor bha bante la kam ya kum kini ki kam Dawa Pisa ki kam penjak borom bat ka jing penun kam bakla ya ka bor balapan kubor da ka sarkar
on YouTube by one Karan Wala XP by this name, and it was circulated on other social media platforms wherein allegations of Shillong police was alleged to have threatened and extorting the occupants of a vehicle, and that a fine of 15,000 was taken from them. This video went viral yesterday, the 12th of January 2026, and following this video, an inquiry was made, and the following facts were ascertained. The individual was identified today as Reganson Kharlor, 35 years. He is a home guard volunteer posted at Maranting Traffic Branch, and on the 26th of December 2025 at about 9:35 a.m. he was on clamping duty in Maranting sector, and at that particular time he was near Saulad. The vehicle which these occupants were travelling in was a white Maruti 800 bearing registration number AS01F1460, and this was proceeding towards Happy Valley, and while driving past him it almost dashed him. This home guard volunteer then gave chase on foot and also took a ride from the scooty of a passerby and intercepted the vehicle at Happy Valley Bazaar. He got inside the Maruti 800, and thereafter all these abuses were hurled at the occupants. He had threatened them and initially had asked for 1 lakh, and after constant pleading by the occupants, the amount was actually had come down to rupees 15,000, and 2 of the occupants of the vehicle had gone to the ATM at Maranting Bazaar, and 15,000 was paid to him. This was not reported to the traffic branch, the in charge of Maranting Traffic Branch, nor to the staff of Maranting Traffic Branch, and this has only come to light when this video was circulated yesterday. Following this inquiry, a sumoto case has been taken up by Maranting PS 8126 under the sections of 308(5), which pertains to extortion, 351 for intimidation, and 352 for abusive language of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. and the home guard has been arrested today, and he has been removed from all duties uh, uh, in the district and shall be produced before court today. And they will be appearing before the police for recording of statement, and investigation will proceed to ensure that we charge sheet the case at the earliest. Jan yo Andre bahkan tadi baka yo dia kamut udan ni kumanyi haki CCTV camera footage ni ya udan ka handset la di betip syaka branch batam dan kanu ruji mensau akamet jungu dia kata ka baong ba kani ka tenra yu le sia kala ya state ne kala jan dayu handai ban ong bakan tenra yu bo dawa to silak ki kata kalong bi an baka benong rem tu yang kata di sisyahi kalong kani tang dengan jing le jongwei ubreu hi ka long kala than ya ka police department handai hakanu ka organization don hi gini support hi ki ba ngidi ban identify ban ngidi ban wengro but SCP kam dalong hi kam long hi da satya kam tahi ngidi we are committed to public service and ngi long zero tolerance ya ka kanu ka kambe ai menshwa hot uni laden bat ni mentala dan maksud Islam but laden bentar kapan kem hi kali ba ban drugs em hakatu ka si udan marwai but let's see bakin nanya step lu ne kinda jen rai u ne slot yu uladi ban piltip shaka branch but hakani ka bentaru kita don hi ki officers but ki head constables pandi ban dan kuna mahandai uni pada naka duty pada ulashim kabu pada ban Dawa Pisa siman hi ambi ka CCTV kalau humi ka CCTV hadian bakal ada jinja pada ngisap hab analyze kam dai bagi briu page CCTV berasisi hi ting hab page hei ka janang ta pada hei ka CCTV bala lam ka jinglia jo briu ti kani ka tiktok kadang dai tang tasni hi kadang don ka inquiry ban ina register case ang nispan ngin dang toket show laudon ti ha kibriu kibala angat hakun kini ya pot hi kidi ban wan chakmat ni ban kawai ru ye kibriu ko na bar hi ngakentu kan paham ki ru ba kidi ban phone hi ka number 112 da kidan kenu anu wes ka kejing kedu ka balang company hi bukan pencameran ya ka police bahkan police berapa kawai ngila instruction si ngin kabakin maintain kata disiplin kin nang ban buram yakibai karkom kren yakibai ki kamtam jadi lagi baklaru kadon kam ban dan kata kata kerum ka kren ki da akor ka baar pada kinya ikum ka ani kinde anu dikile anu kambi ani timot kilangat ya kai ban nginu spare yanu kung ano kita zero tolerance for corruption and extortion. Di yang kata ingin buat yang kata buat bersambit, ingin nangyay bersambit ba Meghalaya Police buat ka East Coast Police buat ka STP ingin ay kata ka jing syakri syupai ba buat ingin maintain kata ka discipline buat pada kerem. Kisi khatsar Hajar.
MeghalayaPost.news